Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Expat Rebel, and my name's Chris, and I am doing a home renovation here in Yucatan Beach community area in Yucatan, Mexico. And I've been showing the progress, and it's been a couple days. I'm going to show you some more of what they've done on the home or on the home stretch. Now, this big, huge hole they had to dig, which is way bigger than I thought it would be, is just to put in these two posts, which will go up, and then but the solar panels will be right there, and they come out about right here. And so that's why they're so deep, because of, you know, hurricanes basically. So they're doing that. They also dug up the sidewalk that went from about here over to there, because it wasn't flat enough. My wife is a little picky, and so it, of course, rained, a few days after they did this, and there were some puddles and whatnot. It's like, no, it needs to be flat and everything. So they started chipping away at it yesterday to just redo the whole thing, which is wild. But so all that good work, and that's how you have to fix it, is just tear it up. The steam room is coming along really well. Now we got the steam room door from nearly $2,000 US for a door, down to 350 US dollars. Now, I haven't seen the door yet, and we got that through our main contractor here. And finally found a source that wasn't resort wear type of play. We just need a door that can handles a steam room for, a private home. Building a steam room in this area, at least, is unusual. My wife actually posted in a local group about doing it, and a lot of comments were just go outside and breathe, whatnot. Yes, it's the tropics. Yes, it's humid, but it's not a steam room. But the steam room is coming along well. And as you notice, the roof is slanted, so that inside the steam room, we're going to have that slanted roof, the water, because that'll be tiled. And we're getting the tile for this today, is going to slant down so the water doesn't drip right on top of you, which is a big deal. I've been in steam rooms that actually do that, and it's just hot, flaming water dripping on you. It's not fun. This is the area that the steam room equipment, the steamer, is going to go as well. And of course, the door will go right here. And this will be the control panel for it. So we got the bar, which came with the place, and the steam room, and then the pool. Now, the pool, a lot of the stonework around the edge, which has taken, a couple of weeks at this point, is almost done. This piece, which is special to go around this filter, is coming in today. And this contractor, David, is going to go pick up the stone for this, and then they're going to install this. This will probably take a couple of days just to get the stone in place. The bar stools, you can see, are actually done finally. And there were some imperfections in the stone. It was a little bit too much. I mean, it is stone, so you're going to have some of that. But over here in the bar area, this is the almost like a desk, but this is where we're going to, stick your drinks and your snacks and whatnot. There was a couple of gouges in it. I only saw one. Of course, my wife is pickier and can see way more detail than I can, saw 7. And one of those days that we took, because it was so noisy, because all the stonework and whatnot, that we went into town or we went to a restaurant or something, they took care of that. We can't even see where it was. We thought they'd have to replace the stone. That stone's like $35, just that one stone there. And nope, didn't have to. Looked perfect. So they fixed it. And the pool filter room is complete. They cocooned all the side on it, and it's still drying a bit. It takes a while to dry. And they got the inside all done. And that's the hole. And then we're just waiting for our plumber to show up to stick in all the pool filter equipment. They got all the hookups ready to go, and he just has to install it. And that's it for that. So we're getting on the home stretch. Once they finish the stonework on the pool and once they're going to shakun the inside of the pool, we need no rain for a while to do that. And we have forecasted rain for the next few days. So that's going to be probably put on hold a little bit. And then they're going to finish the sidewalks completely so that we can walk. Here's where it's supposed to go to right there. And then that's our gate to the beach and the ocean. So it's going to go there. They haven't finished that yet. It's going to be probably last. And they've done this part. It's going to go all the way. They put the step back in, which they had to move during all this. They put that there so they can easily step up. And then they're going to have a sidewalk goes all the way to that. And I showed in the past that goes all the way back to the house. There's a little house for the softener and house water pressure system, which I've shown in the past as well. It goes all the way back there. It's going to go there. And then, of course, where I just showed you will go all the way to the front street door. That's going to be last. And then the solar panel guy is starting in about a week to do their part. And then we're going to be done for now. We do have some other projects probably for next year that we're going to do. But for now, we're probably 2 to 4 weeks away from various things being done. So that's it from here. If you liked the video, of course, click like, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, we do this a lot. And leave a comment if you got any questions about doing a home renovation in Mexico. It is very different. And we've had a very pleasant experience so far. Most all of our contractors really have worked out, really pursue picking out the right people from the very beginning. We wanted some quality, but we didn't want to play too high of gringo prices. Some really high prices. People here actually are not very good quality. So you got to make sure you pick the right. Click the bell notification if you want to get notified of new videos. And hey, join my newsletter over at expatrebel.com/newsletter. We send out an email with some more information every week. See you guys next time. Bye.